Everyone, welcome back to Sarah and Ryan's World. It's Sarah here, and today I'll be teaching you the 6 times table. Let's start. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 7 is 42. 8 is 48, 6 times 9 is 54, and 6 times 10 is 60. 7 is 66, and 6 times 12 is 72. The concept involves multiplying numbers by the number 6. The 6 times table starts with 6 times 1, which is equal to 6, and continues in increments of 6, such as 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, and so on. Now let's try doing it without looking. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 8 is 48, 6 times 9 is 54, and 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66, and 6 times 12 is 72. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.